If you're a parent and you want your child to be good with money, but you have no idea where to start, what to do, or how to do it, then please be assured you are not alone. Most parents want their children to be wise with money. Most parents want their children to be better at money than they were, but many parents are either winging it or worse, just putting this whole topic in the too hard basket. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the big idea behind this Purposeful Pocket Money series. And that is that pocket money isn't just spending money for our kids. In fact, it's a valuable tool that we can use to help our kids become financially independent young adults. Hi there, my name is Phil McGilvray. I'm a personal finance coach and financial literacy expert. And over the past 30 years, I've had the opportunity to help literally thousands of families win with money. In 2018, I was awarded a Winston Churchill Fellowship for Financial Literacy, which enabled me to study leading financial literacy initiatives and programs all over the world. And one of my favorite things is helping families, parents, just like you, raise money-wise kids. So in this video, we are going to have a look at what pocket money is actually for. What is its purpose? We're then going to have a look at why most families get this wrong. And then we're going to have a look at, through this entire series, how do we use pocket money to take our kids from age 4 to 5 through to when they're leaving home so that they can become financially independent young adults. So the first thing that I want you to consider as we go through this pocket money course is, what is the purpose of pocket money? Why do I give my kids pocket money? This is really important because most parents get this wrong. And unfortunately, because of that, we can set our kids up for failure from the start. So the first principle of this program is that pocket money is a tool. It is a tool that you can use to teach your kids important money lessons, to help them develop important money habits, to help them attach positive emotions to the way they handle money. Pocket money is not a reward for existing, okay? It is not a mini salary. And when you think about it as parents, we already give our kids everything they need. We give them food, we give them shelter, we give them clothes, we give them love, and we buy them plenty of cool stuff along the way. So what is the purpose of pocket money? As we said, it is a tool. It's not a reward for existing. It's not a mini salary, and it's certainly not something they are entitled to. So it's very important that when we're giving our kids pocket money, it comes with lessons and it comes with the right messaging. Okay, so let's have a look at some of the important lessons that we can teach our kids using pocket money. Now, I'm going to go through these fairly quickly in this video, but please be assured we're going to cover each of these principles in far more detail as we go through this series. So the first lesson is that money comes from work. Money comes from contribution, that we get paid because we've contributed to something. Second thing is that money is finite. We can only spend it once, so we need to think carefully about how we spend our money. Second thing is that we need to have some kind of plan for our money. We need to make sure that there's always some money put aside for the unexpected. We need to make sure we've got money set aside for our known upcoming expenses. We need to make sure we've got money set aside for those big long-term goals. We need to have a plan for our money. And that savings, setting aside money to work towards a big life goal, is absolutely worth it. That delayed gratification is a good thing and it is worth it. So we want to give them opportunities to learn that. And the fifth lesson is that giving builds character and gratitude. This is a really important lesson for our kids. As someone that has worked in the finance industry for over 30 years, as someone that has been a stockbroker and financial advisor for many, many years, I can tell you that the greatest joy from having money comes from using it to help others. So this is a really powerful lesson that we can teach our kids from an early age using pocket money. So I'm really hoping that you can see at this point that pocket money, when used correctly, can teach our kids incredibly valuable lessons. When we understand that pocket money is a tool, it will enable us to raise money smart kids. Where I see the biggest mistake being made is that when parents give pocket money without any structure, without any expectation, without any links to contribution, and without any purpose. When we give our kids money, we're just giving them money just because, and I think sometimes as parents, we just think that's what you do. We maybe as parents, we were given pocket money. Maybe we see all our friends giving their kids pocket money. So we just think it's a thing you've got to do. But the reality is when it's not tied to any lessons, when there's no expectation, when there's no purpose, when there's no link to contribution, then what happens is it just becomes a handout. And when we give our kids a handout, it starts teaching them from the very word go, it starts teaching them all the wrong lessons. So please, understand that this entire pocket money course is all about helping you understand how do I simply and easily use this pocket money as a tool to start raising money-wise kids. And I understand that this may sound a little bit scary, but what we really want to take our kids through is what I call a financial apprenticeship. And think of this like teaching our kids how to ride a bike, where we start really simple, we practice, we then build our skills, and eventually we take the training wheels off. And that's exactly what we want to do with our kids in terms of their finance. We're going to spend those years from ages 4 to 5 through to their teen years and then the early 20s to help them develop the skills, to help them develop the independence. So by the time they leave home, they are completely independent. And what we're going to take you through in this course is step by step, how do we do that? How do we use pocket money as a tool to make this happen? And what we're going to cover, of course, is, well, giving our kids pocket money. We're going to look at chores and earning that pocket money. We're going to look at give, save, spend, that sort of money management strategy. We're going to look at using money to save for big goals that we would like. We're going to look at, well, do we pay our kids in cash, pocket money in cash, or do we do it online? And if we start with cash, how do we progress to the online? Then we're going to look at that teen transition where they start to take more responsibility for their day-to-day expenses. We're then going to look at teens taking on a part-time job. This is a very important part of this process and how we transition out of giving them pocket money to them earning their own money. And then we're going to look at how we start to hand our kids real responsibility. And the goal of all of this, of course, is to help them to grow up into financially independent young adults. Okay, so your action step for today. Now, every video in this series has some action steps, but today's is very easy. Today's action step will be to work out what is the purpose of pocket money in your family. Why do we give our kids pocket money? I would encourage you to write it down because it's going to become a very important part of your messaging and the way that you teach your kids. Okay, now let's finish off with a very quick recap and summary. The first thing is that pocket money is a tool. It is not just spending money for our kids. The next lesson is that it is the training wheels for life. We are going to use pocket money to teach our kids valuable lessons from age 4 to the day they leave home. We can use pocket money as a valuable tool to help them get to financial independence. Importantly, without any structure, when we just give our kids pocket money without any expectation, without any need for contribution, it just becomes a handout and sends the wrong message to our kids. And then the last thing is that this series, this Purposeful Pocket Money series, is going to give you the financial apprenticeship, the financial framework that you need to raise money-wise kids. And if you would like some help along the way, then can I encourage you to join the Raising Money Smart Kids community. This community is about equipping parents like you with everyday fun activities, practical activities that you can do with your kids to help them learn valuable money lessons. So click on the link in the description below, and I can't wait to see you inside.